Hi guys, I'm going to explain how to answer a question in the Canvas login. This is the login page. You just have to enter your username, not the email address. Just set the password. Just put login. This is the dashboard. You can see the mock test. Just click on mock test and click on quizzes. Just click the again mock test. Just take the test and it will ask access code. This will be supplied while starting the exam. You have to enter the access code that will be supplied during the starting time of the examination. Just put submit. And you have to carefully read the instructions. Then you can start writing the answers for every questions, each questions. I'm going to explain the illustrate the PV isotherm of carbon dioxide. It needs a diagram. I'm just going to explain how to insert the image into the text box. You can just start typing the PV isotherm of the carbon dioxide. The two carbon dioxide subscript can be done by clicking this symbol part. Just click subscript. Then insert equation. The PV isotherm of carbon dioxide is given by just put the enter and just going to click on embed image. Click on Canvas. Click on My Files. Then click on Upload File. Before that, you have to save the images in your laptop. I'm just going to insert this image diagram. Just open. It will be uploaded. And after uploading, just select the image, come down, then update. And the image will be loaded here in this area. Yeah. You can reduce the image size by just dragging at the corner. See, you can still reduce the image size. You put the enter. And you can start typing here. You can start type here. I'm just going to insert the content which is I have already typed since it needs enormous time. So if you just type the content and then for example here it's 13.1 degrees centigrade. If you want to insert the degree symbol, just click on this insert math equation. Then click on miscellaneous. You can see here. See, this is the symbol for degree. Just click on this. And then insert equation. So you can see a degree symbol. Then put C. Then in the carbon dioxide, 2 has to be in the subscript. Just select the 2 or just keep the cursor here. Then again insert math equation. Click on subscript, then put 2. Then insert equation. So the 2 is in the subscript. Like this, you can insert some of the mathematical equations also. Just enter plus here. I'm just going to demonstrate how to insert an equation using the canvas. Just just click on insert math equation. I'm just going to insert the Van der Waals equation of stat. That is P plus just click on this A by B, just put to B, after B then square, it should be square, then you have to put plus subscript, then put 2. And if you have to come out of this equation, just click the right arrow. And again, within bracket, B minus B, which is equal to RT. Just insert the equation. This equation will display under this text. Then if you want to insert another equation, it's a little difficult. So again, insert math equation. B superscript 3. If you just come out of this 3, just click on right cursor. Then put minus. Then again bracket. This will be fraction. So R T, that should be subscript C. So subscript C T C divided by P subscript C. Then again we have without plus here plus B square superscript and plus within brackets there should be a fraction A by PC, A by P subscript C into V minus, then there will be another fraction AB by P subscript C, which is equal to 0. Then again just insert equation. So you'll get you can insert the equation and you can insert multiple images. If I just like to insert the equation between these two equations, just press here, keep the cursor between the two equations, and embed image. Click on canvas, then click on my files, upload file. I need to insert the diagram too. Just double click on this diagram too. Yes, it is inserted. Then come down. Then again update. It will be updated between the two equations. You can reduce the size of the image also. This is how we can insert the text, images, and equation in the while answering the questions in the canvas. You can also insert the table here. Just click on the table, come here, and you can insert uh, how many columns needed, how many rows you needed, you can insert. For example, I need to insert 2 by 2 column. Insert here. If you want to distinguish between the two content, for example, uh, average velocity, mean square velocity, between the two, we can just type. You can type the properties of these two. You can give the answer for the differences between the average velocity and the root mean square velocity. We can align the left alignments. You can see here. I can see supercritical subscript also for the carbon dioxide. For example, what I told you, carbon dioxide. The two selected two, it should be subscript. It's easy for you. Then at the end, after answering all the questions, you have to keep in mind to submit the quiz. Just click on submit the quiz. Thank you for watching.